Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. In today's video, I'll be making some strawberry banana pudding. So as you can see, I'm using the mini vanilla wafer cookies, and now I'm just going to be cutting up some bananas. So now it's time to spread the bananas all over the cookies, and then I'm going to be cutting up some strawberries. If you're enjoying the video so far, make sure you hit that like button. Okay, so once I was done cutting the strawberries, it's time to put them on top of the bananas. Okay, so now I'm going to use another box of vanilla wafers to put on top of that. And then I'm going to be cutting up some more bananas and strawberries. Comment down below and let me know if you ever had banana pudding with strawberries. Let me know how you liked it. Okay, so once I was done with that, now it's time to make the pudding. So I'm using 4 cups of milk. I'm going to be adding some vanilla extract and some sugar. When making the pudding, you got to make sure you keep on mixing it. Once the pudding was done, I went ahead and poured it all over the cookies, and that's how it looked.